Hi, welcome to NextLabs demo on safeguarding information sharing. These days, many organizations are faced with a common challenge. On one hand, you've got the need to share information within a company or perhaps externally with partners in order to get things done. Collaboration's the name of the game, but you also have to balance that against protecting the crown jewels and remaining compliant with any regulations that you're subject to. Now, today's companies use several applications to keep the business running. The key is to find a single platform that can manage the security policies of these different applications, and that platform is NextLabs. So a biggie here to start with is SAP, which many consider the gold standard when it comes to ERP applications. Here we've got a guy named Jay Carter. He's only authorized to access customer data and material data, but not financial data. So you'll see that we'll start with a transaction called FC10 here on the SAP UI, and these are used to view financial statements in SAP. So this financial statement, it can be downloaded and saved as a spreadsheet so that it can be shared outside of SAP. So NextLabs SAP Enterprise Digital Rights Management Solution, or EDRM for short, can be configured to encrypt financial statements like these when they're downloaded out of SAP, thereby protecting the data within the documents. So here we're going to take a look at the permissions assigned to this particular file, which is being saved as a XLS spreadsheet. Out of all the possible permissions that you'll see shortly, things such as view, edit, print, copy, paste, send, etc., you'll see that Jay Carter doesn't have any of these specific permissions because the status column is blank. That's why when he tries to open up the spreadsheet from his desktop, you'll see he gets greeted with a bunch of gibberish because he's only got permission to view customer material data, but not financial data. So when it comes to productivity tools, Office 365 and its many applications come to mind. Here we're looking at SharePoint Online. The business case here is that only users in the finance department with the appropriate permissions are allowed to edit files that have the word ITAR in it. There are two employees here, Dong Goodliff and Gary Fayard. They both work in finance, but only Dong has the appropriate user license to edit files. So say Dong wants to edit a file named report. As you can see, the file has the word ITAR in it. He makes his edit, saves it to the finance folder, and here we'll be able to double check to see that his edit was indeed saved. So let me go ahead and save it here into the finance folder, and you'll be able to see that it was indeed saved. Now let's switch gears and pretend that we're Gary. He goes into SharePoint and is going to look for the same file called report that Dong just edited because Gary wants to edit that file too, so that when Gary opens up the file, he can see Dong's edits as well, which you'll see right here. It even says so in the upper right hand corner right up there that just popped up. However, when Gary tries to edit the file himself and save it, he'll be unable to do so. So you can see that his changes aren't going to be saved, so he's going to try to save it to the same finance folder, and when you try to open it up, you'll see that his changes weren't saved, and that's because he does not have the correct user license. And so now we'll move on to Siemens Teamcenter, which is the poster child of product lifecycle management software. I've got two people here. John Tyler's one of them. He holds a top secret clearance at ABC company, and thus he's able to view the entire assembly in all parts. Bob Elliott works for a supplier of ABC, and he's authorized to view the assembly, but not the specific part classified as top secret, since he doesn't hold the appropriate clearance to view that specific part. So taking a look at the file 660A, which we'll look for right there, that John wants to export, it's a file of an assembly that has a yellow part in it. That yellow part is classified as top secret. So now let's take a look at see what things look like from Bob's point of view. He'll log into NextLabs, and he's going to select that same file 660A that John just exported. So let me go ahead and do that. He's going to open it up. So he opens up the assembly within the Teamcenter NX client. As you can see, he can't see that yellow part within the assembly because he doesn't have the appropriate top secret clearance required to view it. Now, when it comes to cloud services, ServiceNow is one of the leading applications for IT service management. So in this particular example, we're going to show you, we'll illustrate how you can control access to sensitive incidents, as they're known in ServiceNow, by country and security clearance. So we've got 3 employees here, Darren, Bernard, and Kyle. They've all got a title of IT manager, some being based in different countries than others. So here we are Darren. So Darren has got a title of IT manager. He is based in the U.S., and he's got top secret security clearance. So here you can see 36 incidents pop up for him, including 2 labeled as top secret. All these incidents seem to be based in the U.S., so keep that number in mind. So his 36 includes 2 top secret incidents. So if we switch gears and take a look at what Bernard Leboy can see, he's also an IT manager, also based in the U.S., but he does not hold the top secret clearance level to view the top secret incidents. So let's go ahead and look at the specific incident list that he can see. Switching the profiles here from Darren to Bernard, and you'll see that he can only see 34 incidents. So if you remember, Darren could see 36, Bernard can only see 34, the difference being that Bernard cannot see the 2 top secret incidents. Everything else is the same, since they're both based in the U.S. And then finally, we'll take a look and see from the point of view of Kyle Lindauer. So we have to switch gears here. Let's switch out the admin from Bernard to Kyle. So Kyle, also an IT manager, as you can see there, but he's based in Germany, not the U.S., and he's only been cleared to view the regular incidents and not the top secret incidents. So let's go ahead and see the list of incidents that he can see. Switching the view from Bernard to Kyle, and you'll see that Kyle can only see 2 incidents. Should be. Yep. So Darren can see 36, Bernard 34, Kyle only 2, since he can only see the Germany-based incidents, and of course he cannot see any top secret security level incidents. So, therein lies the power of NextLabs. It's a centralized policy platform from which you can control all your business critical applications. So that'll put a wrap on our demo. If you'd like more information, check out nextlabs.com.